Understanding moral choices in everyday life. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting topic that often pops up in our daily lives: moral choices. What are they? Why do they matter? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of this concept and how it applies to you. So let's get started. A moral choice refers to a decision-making process that involves a consideration of what is right and wrong. These choices are guided by our personal ethics, societal norms, and often, the laws of the land. They can range from small, everyday decisions to significant life-changing ones. To make a moral choice, several elements must be considered. Values. What is important to you? Your values will shape your perception of right and wrong. Ethics. These are the moral principles that govern behavior. They can be personal or cultural. Consequences. Every choice has a consequence. Considering the potential outcomes is key to making a moral choice. Intentions. Why are you making this choice? The intention behind a choice is as important as the action itself. Moral choices are important because they reflect our character and can impact our lives and the lives of others. Making a moral choice can lead to a sense of pride and integrity, while poor choices may result in guilt or shame. Let's look at some common examples. Choosing to return a lost wallet is a moral choice that reflects honesty. Deciding to volunteer at a shelter shows compassion and a commitment to helping others. Sometimes, making the right choice isn't easy. Here are some tips to help you through the process. Take your time to think things through. Talk to someone you trust for a different perspective. Consider the long-term effects of your decision. And that's all on moral choices. Remember, the choices we make can define us and impact our world in big ways. I hope this video has given you some insight into making wise and ethical decisions in your own life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.